This is the best way to get your WordPress site analytics within HighLevel in one place using our performance reports. Today, I'll show you how you can fetch these reports, which will show you all sorts of data for your WordPress sites hosted in HighLevel. My name is Andrew. Let's dive right in. To access your performance report, just go to Sites, WordPress, and then click Manage Website on your existing WordPress site. Then you can go over to the analytics screen. Once you're here, you'll be able to see three different types of analytics. First, your general site report on the first screen, your visitors report on the next screen, which shows you where people are coming from. And then lastly, our performance report, which we're talking about today. And in order to get this report, all you have to do is click Fetch Report. This will then generate a site performance report, which makes it really easy to see all of your WordPress analytics in one spot. Now that our report is generated, let's take a look at some of our stats. First, you'll be able to see your page speed, such as mobile and desktop. The difference is here. You'll be able to see what the average is and what your site currently is at. Then you can see your core web vitals, so your overall page speed, large content, interactivity, and SEO. These are all great things to know for yourself or for your clients that are having WordPress sites on your platform. Then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your page health report, which will give you two different reports, one for desktop and one for mobile. This will give you a number of items that should be immediately fixed, ones that you should consider fixing, and ones that have passed. If you click view, you can see all of these different stats here. Things like JavaScript, image delivery, CSS file use, unused CSS, etc. And you can see the same thing for mobile as well. This is really useful because this performance report gives you some of the best data for comparing your desktop versus your mobile version WordPress sites. If you have any questions about the performance report within the WordPress feature of HighLevel, check out the rest of the help talk or drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.